प्यारे बहनों और भाइयों, my dear sisters and brothers, I'm very pleased to connect with all of you today for the launch of Elements Mobile app on this auspicious occasion of Guru Purnima. There could not have been a better occasion to launch this noble initiative towards an Atmanirbhar Bharat. Guru Purnima is celebrated on the full moon day of the Hindu month of Ashada to commemorate the birth anniversary of Veda Vyasa, the author of Mahabharata. It is also believed that Gautam Buddha ji gave his first sermon at Sarnath on this day. Guru has always held a reverential place in Indian culture. He has been compared to Brahma, Vishnu, and the Shiva. He is the supreme spirit. According to our culture, our traditions, our philosophy. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheswara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. In ancient times, India was known as Viswa Guru because of such great gurus. We should aspire to make our country a leading power in every field once again, be it science, technology, economy, defense, or human development. India is passing through a crucial moment in the history. We are faced with a number of internal, external challenges. But I am confident we should remain resolute in our response to the challenges thrown at us. The Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Bhai, has given a call for Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. Atmanirbhar Bharat, as it is called, is a mission to galvanize the forces of growth across the country in various sectors of the economy. It's a launch pad for fostering entrepreneurship, nurturing innovation, and creation of an ecosystem for rural-urban symbiotic development. It's not a call for protectionism or isolation, but for adopting a pragmatic development strategy that would enable the country to recognize and capitalize on its inherent strength. India has come to be known as one of the 80 superpowers across the globe because of the talented scientists and technology experts who are occupying. Against this backdrop, it is quite appropriate that the Prime Minister has announced the Atmanirbhar Bharat app Innovation Challenge yesterday. This will encourage Indian IT specialists to prepare apps for users to enhance our quality of life. As the Prime Minister envisages, it will result in world-class made-in-India apps to create Atmanirbhar app ecosystem. This Abhiyan campaign is aimed at giving a new boost, a quantum jump to the economic potential of the country by strengthening infrastructure, using modern technologies, and enriching human resources. New India needs vibrant young thinkers who are willing to experiment and explore. We should innovate, not just imitate. Innovation is the watchword for the 21st century. We have all the ingredients for success. We need to just connect the dots and create a piece of action. The Prime Minister has given a call, in mantra, reform, perform, and transform. Transformation of the nation. And transformation for the betterment of the lives of the people. Not only India, across the globe. I'm happy to note that more than 1,000 IT professionals, most of them are youngsters, who are all also the volunteers of the art of living, have together created this indigenous app named Elements. I'm glad to note that this app will be available in 8 Indian languages. Ultimately, efforts will be made to make it available in all major Indian languages, because common people, they will be able to communicate better in their mother tongue. Such in